Hello everyone, welcome to ServiceNow Mastery Series. So in today's video, we are going to see merge update sets. Merge update set is, for example, like so many developers are doing the are performing the changes on the local update sets by creating on their system one by one to be migrated to the testing environment. You guys decided to make or to merge all the update sets and then process or migrate the changes to the testing environment, right? We'll first do some changes, like we'll come to the local update set and for example, I'm the developer one. I'm creating one local update set. Okay. I have the user story as 2, right, in progress, and the release date will be, I'm keeping it as of 10 August, right, or 11 August, and the description would be create a new UI policy, new UI policy that hides work notes when category is inquiry, when category is application issue. Okay, is application issue. So this is a description that I have to do it. This is the story assigned to me. I have to create the new UI policy which will hide the work notes field when the category is application issue. We already have made the new choice in the category into the previous video. You can just check it out. If you have just come on this third part of the update set, so it's my recommendation you to please go and check out part 1 and part 2 for better understanding. So when you come on the category, we have already added the choice application issue. So the user story is have to create the UI policy which will hide the work notes when the category is application issue, right? I'll just click on save and I'll check that my update set will be user story 2. So as you can see, application scope is global and the updates user story is 2. Then I will go to the incident table, create new. What I will do is I'll come to the incident, right click on it and configure and choose the UI policy. So I'll make the changes. This is my developer instance for the developer 1. I'm working on my system, on my laptop, on my asset. Short description will be new UI. Okay. Yeah. New UI policy which hide, right? And the order will be, I'll keep it as 300. When the category, I have to apply the condition, right? When the category is application issue, then first I'll click on save. UI policy actions, click on new. I want the field name, that is work notes to be hidden, not visible, visible false. Okay, and I'll click on submit. So this is the user story, that is the change which I have to do it. I'll click on update. Now to verify my change, it for me, I'll come to the incident table once again and choose, see, the work notes is there. Okay, let me just create this incident first. Short description, issues, right? And I'll click on save. So now you can see the work note tab is there. When the category is inquiry or help, when I just change the category as an application issue, so as you can see, work note field disappear. Work note doesn't visible to you. So my changes are working fine. Now, another developer 2 is also have one new story, and basically he also have to work on that user story. So how can he work? He is working on his system, right, on his developer instance, and now it's a time to play a role of developer 2 and do some changes. And now it's a time for the developer 2 to complete his work. Now suppose that I am playing developer 2 role. Earlier I was playing developer 1 role. So developer 2 has a user story to make a custom table with the fields such as the device name, type and assign to, right? So what I will do, I will go to the system update set and I will create one local update sets. Create it. User story as a 3, right? For developer 2, user story 3 has been assigned to developer 2. State will be in progress and release date will be same as 11th of August. Create custom table. Create custom table. Okay, device details. I have to create one table and submit it. So developer 2 local update set is being created as a user story 3. You can see it here, user story 3, right? And I'll change the update set here also in the globe, update story 3. See, for me, the work is assigned to make a new table, right? I come to the system definition, I'll create the table. I'll click on new. Device details will be my table name. Device details will be my table and the name will automatically come. So it is the custom table, right? And what I will do, I'll quickly click on save. The fields which I want to add in my device table is the device name, type and assign to. 3 of the field names, right? So I'll come and show form through the use of form layout functionality. What I will do, I will click on configure form layout. Yeah, and then I will create device name. Device name would be string, add it. Then type, device type would be I'm making as choice, add it, and assign to. Assign to. So for assign to, I am using the type as reference. Reference to which table? This underscore user table. Okay. Sys underscore user table and add it. And then click on save. So this is a whole table I have added, right? With the field type and all. Close it. Then again come to the system update. System update set. Check check in the local update sets that the changes are captured into this local update set or not while opening the user story. So as you can see, customer update sets application module have been created for the device details. So the table I have created. Now it's a time to merge user story 2, which is done by the developer 1, and the developer 2 has done user story 3. Will merge both of the update sets, right? Yes, so now we have to merge the update setup for the user story 2 and user story 3. So what we will do, we'll come to our update set of the user story 2 and state is in progress. Yes, so what I will do, I will just merge with the another update set. So now what you can do is you just click on the user story 2 and when you just come it down, scroll it down in the related links, merge with the another update setter. So you can just click on it and all the update setter list comes in front of you. So merge set uh, application. This would be the name. You can keep any name. So this is the user story 2 and I want to merge the user story 3, right? One second. So now I just want to update user story 3 and 2. So I applied the filter condition and then I click on merge. So the confirmation it is asking for, are you sure you want to merge these two update sets? You will be not be able to undo this action. So I want to merge. That's why I clicked on OK. Right. Then I would also see merged set application, which is in progress, in which I have merged changes of developer 1 and developer 2. So as you can see, there is device details is already there. Next, policies are also there, work note policies, right? So as you can see, both of the developer changes are there into the merge update sets. Make state to complete and then update it. Okay, so the state is complete merge set application. If you want to export to XML, then you can click on export. And if you don't want to that file to be downloaded from the system into another instances, so you can also go to the update source and can create the new remote instances. So if you just click on create, if you want to create the instance connection test connection, so you can keep the name and you can just provide the remote connection URL and the username and password and can click on the test connection. For now what I will do, I will download the XML file, right? Export to XML and click on it. The file is downloaded and now I will move to the another developer another testing instance, right? This is the developer instance and now we move to the testing instance. So now what we have to do, we have to come to the testing environment and click on the retriever update sets. Rest all the steps would be same. Click on the import update set, choose a file and we choose a file from the my system. Okay, update set, merge the update set and upload it. Right, so as you can see, the merge set application is there. You can just click on it and if you want to preview it, then click on it, preview update set and okay. So inserted is 26, updated, deleted, collision, total is 26, right? And the customer updates all it comes here. Now you click on the commit update set and the changes have been committed on the testing environment. Close it. So now as you can see, all the 26 changes have been completed, right? If you want to see the details, so device details we have, right? This is a custom application which we have made that is assigned to device name and the device type, but the data which we have entered into the data, right? When the category is inquiry help, so the work notes is available. But when I choose the application issue, so the work node field disappear, right? So both of the developer 1 and developer 2 changes have been configured in a testing environment by merge update set. The update set is completed. We'll meet with our next topic once. Till then, bye.